Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here, and as you have read the title, I'm going to be doing facial under 1000 rupees. Like each product is under 1000 rupees. Some are even more lesser, more affordable, more inexpensive. So I usually do my facial at home because I find it's much more reasonable. We are doing the same procedure, we are buying the same things, and we are doing the same things at home. Why to waste like 2000, 3000 on a facial and all of that stuff? So I just started doing this past 1 year, and I thought why not I share with you because it's very inexpensive, affordable, and all of that sort. Whatever face wash you're using, you need to have a very clean face, sanitized hands, clean hands, because if you're not going to use a brush, you're going to mostly use your fingers, so it has to be sanitized. I use my fingers and hands, so I'm telling it in advance. I wash my hands really well before I touch my face because hands have germs and you don't want them to get stuck to your face and have infections or breakouts or anything of that sort. So wash your hands, sanitize your hands really well before you start this, and before that you have to wash your face also really well. I'm gonna just tell you what all products I'll be using first, and we'll get on to the procedure. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Pond's pimple clear face wash, and this is a fabulous face wash. Like sucks out all your oil, and it keeps you really fresh and your skin clean. And the other thing that I would be using is the Everyouth walnut scrub. This is something I really love. I have the mini pack. The bigger pack actually got over, and I bought the mini version because the bigger version is not available now due to lockdown. All the links will be in the description box below. The next thing that we'll need is a steam machine, a vaporizer if you have at home. I bought a vaporizer from Amazon. I've been using it past 6 months now. Before that I used to just put a vessel, heat water in that and take steam from that. 6 months ago what I found out was this. So it comes with 3 settings. It's this one over here. So it comes with 3 settings. So what you're going to do, you have to attach all of this. So this will come, these parts will come along with this, and this is the base attachment to it. I'll be showing in the video how to do properly, how to use this. And this bought it for 195 at a sale, and the sale is still on. You can go check it out. Amazon always has sales, and I was actually skeptical. I was like, 195, this is not going to be a good product, but it is going on really well. It's really good. I really love this product. 6 months, it has not given me any complaint. It does its job pretty well. So the next thing that we need is this is the derma suction that we will need. This is for blackheads and all of that. It will remove all the gunk, and this is so good. Got it for $339 on a sale, and this comes with 4 nozzles depending on what type you want to use. Like this is one, and this one, and like this one, and this one. So, and then they have this tip that they give so that to prevent dust going inside, and it has 2 settings, 1 and 2, for according to what you like it, and it's battery operated, so you can just remove this and put batteries and use it. It's really good, and it's very worth it for the money that you're paying, and I would highly recommend you to do it. And the next product that we will need is the activated charcoal peel off mask. This is with bentonite clay and rosehip oil, and is for anti-pollution. It unclogs pores, revitalizes skin, and it is a deep skin purifying thing. So it has no mineral oil, no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, and no harmful chemical. And it is for 120 ml. It's by Organics Mantra, this one. But I got it at a sale at 189. That is so reasonable, that is so cheap, and this works like a dream. You should try it out. So the next product will be the Freeman's mask that I'll be using. This is so good. Okay, this is like a rejuvenating cucumber plus pink salt clay mask. So it instantly detoxes and clears pores for renewed skin, and it is for all skin types, and it is a 10-minute mask. Any one of your known people coming from abroad after this corona, ask them to get this for you. This is really good. Description box, I'm going to add all the links so that it won't be a difficulty for you to run errands and buy things, and you can just order it and it will come. They have in mineral glow, shine masks, honey, pomegranate, so many variants they have, and this is for 650. But I don't know why this is very expensive. This is like 1000 200, 300. I'll put the link for this also just in case. And the other thing, if you don't want to use this, you can go ahead and make a mixture of yours. I always make this mixture and keep it at home. It is equal parts of wild turmeric powder and Fuller's Earth powder. Fuller's Earth is nothing but multani mitti, and wild turmeric is nothing but kasturi manjal, or in Hyderabad they call it as ame haldi. You can just buy equal parts and mix it and keep it in this and make a little bit of paste out of it. This rose water is by Janata. It retails for 25 rupees. I bought it nearby my house. So whatever rose water you have, you can use that for mixing it in that. And I also put a little bit of honey for giving that extra glow and shine to your skin. And this is for 37 rupees. This also is really good. You can use any honey you want. So that is all you need, guys, and a good moisturizer to apply after you finish your facial. So I will tell you in advance, take out 1 hour for yourself, just 1 hour to do all these things. Relax, give yourself little bit of pampering, little bit of me time, and take care of yourself. So just give yourself 1 hour to do all of this and you'll be good to go. You will thank me for telling you this. And I'm also warning you, use a old t-shirt or like old clothes for doing this, just in case you drop something on your dress. And yeah, so that's it. So do keep on watching to see how I do my facial. So for the first thing, before you start anything, you want to wash your face. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the Pond's face wash, and I'm going to do that quickly. I'm going to take another face wash next, and I'm going to take one which has scrubbing beads. So I'm going to take the walnut scrub, and I'm going to do a scrub. So the next step is we're going to take steam. So what I'm going to do is, I'm first going to fill this with water. It has max and minimum. I'm going to take water and I'm going to fill till between of maximum and minimum. I'm just going to fix this part into it, and I'm going to start. And I've started the machine already, and then I'm gonna fix this on top of it. So the steam will come out from this. So let's wait for it to boil. First time I used it, I got really scared because it starts boiling this way, and don't need to get scared. Don't need to get scared. So can you see the steam? So I'm going to take that. I'm going to first wipe off my face. After wiping off my face, this has 2 settings, this Derma. So I'm going to take 1, 2. So I'm going to take the second one. This looks painful, but it's not. So the icky stuff has come off. See, the icky stuff has come off, and you can just put a pin or something and clean it off. So this is the one. So I'm going to take that. So I'm going to wait till all of this dries, then I'm going to peel it off. So stay tuned. This has been drying for quite a long time, so I'm just going to take it off. And you're going to peel from top to down, not from down to top. So I'm gonna go wash off my face now. So So after that was done, I went ahead and applied this. The video will become too long if I sit and do because I like do in each and every nook and corner. I apply the paste. So I've taken just this, and I've applied it completely on my face, and I'm gonna keep it a 10-minute mask. But I keep it till it completely dries, then I wash it because it gives that very supple, that extreme amount of glow that I really like. And applying 2-3 masks at one time, like face mask, is like not good at all because it causes so much of redness and all of that sort. I don't want it to happen. It burns a lot for me. Homemade pack, which I told you, I'll be shooting it tomorrow because I cannot apply that today. I've already applied this mask. This pack has been sitting for a long time now, around 20-25 minutes, and I have to go wash it off. Don't use the turmeric in your pantry, it's not good for your skin. You get cosmetic turmeric, so use that, and take equal amounts and always store it like this because this is a power pack. Like, it is so good for your skin, so good. So I'm going to mix this with rose water and apply it to my face. The mixture that I have, I need only 1.5 tablespoon of it. According to your face, you can put how much ever you want. So after that, I'm going to take honey. I'm going to take Dabur honey, and I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoons in that. I'm going to take rose water, and I'm going to put that. I'm going to keep putting little bit of rose water till I get that semi-solid, little thick consistency, and it shouldn't like fall off. So this kind of like, it should not fall off, it should become that consistency. So keep putting rose water accordingly. Don't just put so much and then expect it to be like that. So I'm going to apply it. As I said, please don't forget your neck. Every step, don't forget your neck. So I have put this, I have finished applying it. People who have little sensitive skin, or people who have acne prone skin or anything of that sort, it will burn. I'm telling you in advance, it's gonna burn. It has its slight tingling kind of sensation. So after a while, once it's fully dried, you won't have that sensation. So keep it on your face even though it burns, because it's gonna give you a beautiful effect. It's really good for acne. So yeah, don't forget that. I'll see you once it dries. So this is completely dried. I'm gonna like wash it off. It did sting a lot. I'm just gonna wash it off. I kept it for 20 minutes and it dried. For tightening of the pores, I'm gonna take ice and I'm gonna rub it. Oh, this feels so good and relaxing. This tightens the pores as well as gives your face a very good relaxing feel. My eyes has become this small, I can't even hold it. And always do it on top of a sink so that your water doesn't fall anywhere. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a very easy, simple thing that you can do at home and save a lot of money. It's always better to do it at home because A, you're saving money, B, what is the comfort you'll get other than being at home, and it is so simple. All these things you can do at home. It's so easy to do also, and do this every month just to give myself a pampering sesh, nothing else. And this is so inexpensive and so nice and so good. Thank you guys for watching. So if it helped you, please do like, share and comment on my videos, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Mwah, bye.